From the makers of WERCHTAY. It's a solar panel. They make a number of sizes, makes and models. This is a 200-watt solar panel with 24% efficiency monocrystalline for RVs, campers, off-grid situations. The solar panel could be hooked up to any imaginable source of power for your needs. We're going to hook up a battery, an inverter, and a product and show you how the solar panel can generate power to the source and offer off-grid power. We're going to unbox the product, show you how nicely it comes wrapped, protected with styrofoam all around. Your solar array with individual panels. You have 24 panels here, 24, 96 altogether. This is one half, and the other half to consist of a 200-watt panel. If you look on the back of the unit, you have your positive and negative leads that you need to connect up for your paneling. Do not forget to remove the corner caps. They protect the unit. There are no screws, anchors, hardwares. You'll find a location for your panel and hook up. These areas are your anchor supports. On the unit marked over here will be your positive lead, your negative lead. Checking voltage of the panel. We have some voltage with the positive and negative correctly. In this demonstration, we're going to show you the solar panel, how it lights up the light. 200-watt solar panel hooked up. You can run anything 12 volts to your system like a pond. To charging LiPo4 batteries with a charger on a solar system for your tiller, outdoor stuff, and more. You're looking to do string lights on 12-volt solar power at nighttime. You're looking to do indoor lighting for your house on a timer. This solar panel, 200 watt, may be something that you are after. Solar panel, solar controller, inverter, outdoor inverters, many possibilities with your panel for off-the-grid use. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are after. And we have solar power, just like that. Out in the field, using RC products, an inverter, a power source to charge your batteries all day long. Hook up a battery, an inverter, and a product and show you how the solar panel can generate power to the source and offer off-grid power.